Are you struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Do you feel like you're missing out on some insider secrets? If so, you're in luck because today we're going to reveal 6 affiliate marketing secrets that you don't know about. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income. It allows you to promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. But, despite its potential, affiliate marketing can be a tough nut to crack. That's why knowing these 6 secrets can give you an edge over the competition. First, did you know that the most successful affiliates don't just promote products, they create a personal brand? By building a strong personal brand, you'll become an authority in your niche, and your audience will trust your recommendations. Second, many new affiliates make the mistake of promoting too many products. This dilutes your focus and can hurt your credibility. Instead, focus on promoting a few high-quality products that you truly believe in. Third, one of the biggest secrets to affiliate marketing success is building an email list. By collecting the email addresses of your audience, you can build a relationship with them over time, promote products more effectively, and earn more money. Fourth, did you know that using video can drastically improve your affiliate marketing results? Video content is more engaging and memorable than text or images, and it's a great way to showcase products and demonstrate their benefits. Fifth, many affiliates make the mistake of not testing and optimizing their campaigns. By split testing different ads, landing pages, and promotional strategies, you can find what works best for your audience and maximize your earnings. Lastly, the most successful affiliates understand that it's not just about promoting products, but also about providing value to their audience. By creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience, you'll build trust, loyalty, and a following that can pay off big time in the long run. There you have it, 6 affiliate marketing secrets that you don't know about. By applying these tips to your affiliate marketing campaigns, you can set yourself up for success and start earning the passive income you've been dreaming of.